Have you ever looked at your Commbank account statement and felt a pang of guilt at the fees deducted? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many Australians find themselves paying unnecessary fees on their Commbank accounts. But fear not, because today, we're going to dive deep into how you can avoid these pesky charges and keep more of your hard-earned money. Understanding Commbank fees. Before we get into the tips and tricks, let's take a quick look at some of the common Commbank fees you might encounter. Monthly account fees. These are typically charged for maintaining a basic transaction account. ATM fees. If you withdraw cash from a non-Commbank ATM, you might incur a fee. Overdraft fees. If you spend more than you have in your account, you could face overdraft charges. International transaction fees. These apply when you use your Commbank card overseas. Late payment fees. If you miss a payment on a loan or credit card, you'll likely be charged a late fee. Choose the right account. One of the most effective ways to avoid Commbank fees is to select an account that aligns with your needs and spending habits. Commbank offers a range of accounts, each with its own fees and benefits. Consider factors such as monthly fees. Some accounts have no monthly fees, while others charge a flat fee or a fee based on your account balance. Transaction limits. If you're a frequent user, look for an account with high transaction limits to avoid fees. Interest rates. If you're looking to earn interest on your savings, compare the interest rates offered by different Commbank accounts. Avoid overdraft fees. Overdraft fees can quickly add up, so it's important to take steps to avoid them. Here are some strategies. Set up overdraft protection. Link your savings account to your transaction account to provide a buffer against overdrafts. Monitor your spending. Keep track of your expenses and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. Consider a budgeting app. Use a budgeting app to help you manage your finances and avoid overspending. Use Commbank ATMs. If you need to withdraw cash, stick to Commbank ATMs to avoid ATM fees. These fees can be particularly high if you use ATMs from other banks. Be mindful of international transaction fees. If you're planning to travel overseas, be aware of the international transaction fees associated with your Commbank card. These fees can vary depending on the country you're visiting and the type of transaction you're making. Pay your bills on time. Late payment fees can be a significant expense, so it's important to pay your bills on time. Set reminders or use online bill payment services to help you stay on top of your payments. Review your account regularly. It's a good practice to review your Commbank account statements regularly to ensure you're not being charged any unnecessary fees. If you notice any errors or discrepancies, contact Commbank customer service immediately. Consider switching banks. If you're consistently paying high fees on your Commbank account, it might be worth exploring other banking options. There are many banks that offer competitive fees and interest rates. By following these tips, you could significantly reduce the fees you pay on your Commbank account. Remember, it's important to understand your account terms and conditions and take proactive steps to avoid unnecessary charges. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.